small old house renovation with mixing old new concept ideas. Dark cabinets, dark floors, images of kitchens with dark cabinets, light granite countertops with dark cabinets, white kitchen wood floors. I hope this small old house renovation will bring sparkling inspiration for you who are looking for ideas of how to renovating an old house. Restoring an old house, especially with heritage architecture status, can be cost enormously. For this small old house renovation, creative resources efficiently used so the renovating an old house costs can be at the lowest cost possible. Generally, the building materials used to renovate this 3-story L-shaped house has same materials that used to build the original house in 1958. The same materials used to represent the characteristic of its vintage 50s architecture style. At the same time, modern technique applied.